Be really good. That's the secret of being a fearless agent. Fearless agents are better at everything than regular real estate agents, whether it's prospecting, whether it's the skills, is it the 5 presentations, they're better at everything, okay? So the secret to success in real estate, or anything maybe, is be better than everybody else, be better than your competitors, and then be about the business of asking people for business all day, every day. So if you have 5 presentations, listing, pricing, FSBO, buyer, investor, and you're great at those, competent at those 5 Fearless Agent presentations, and you know what to say on the phone to get yourself into as many of those situations to make realistically any amount of money you want to, then it's just about putting in the hours. And then you get good at putting in the hours. And here's a permission to make an analogy? Okay. Sure. If you're a guy, you've pushed cars. You know, somebody's car stalls and you start pushing the car, and then for whatever reason somebody comes out and you have to stop. Getting that car started again is so hard if you'd have just kept it going, okay? So it's that inertia. Prospecting is like that. If you haven't prospected in a while, getting going again is harder. If you just keep it going and keep that routine, if every day looks the same, it's comforting, it's easier. So just be really great at what you do, and then be about the business of asking people for business a lot. There are several ways you can try Fearless Agent before you become a member. First, go to our website, fearlessagent.com, and go to the webinar in the upper right-hand corner in the banner. Click on that, watch that. It's about 45 minutes long. Take a bunch of notes. That's going to help you for sure. Number 2 would be watch all the videos on our website. Okay, there's lots of great training videos there. I guarantee you that's going to be better training for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's our guarantee. And then the third thing is you can call me. There will be a no pressure, no closing you, free complimentary coaching call, and we'll just find out who you are. And once we know who you are, then of course it's all about your customers. So we'll do a good job of seeing if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, I'll still help you in any way I can, because the main thing is we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.